everyone, all our esteemed guests and friends, all to celebrate art, architecture and design. My gratitude to Professor Charanjit Singh Shah, Architect Sanjay and Tanuja Kanvinde, who are on their way, Architect Rohit Raj Mehta, Nandini Mehta, Architect Anupam Mitra, my dear friends, Sabina Khanna, Kavita Vej, Sonam Rupani, and to all esteemed guests who have braved, I written heat, but I think today's stage today enduring. I also appreciate and thank all my artist friends here to have taken the effort to exhibit their work here today. I know it was not easy to do it just for a few hours. My sincere gratitude, all of you. My special thanks to my sponsors, Mr. Umang Pavra, Mr. S.S. Anand, and Mr. Naman Gupta, who supported to make this a reality. Thank you so much. You are just actually a phone call away, Umang. I really appreciate that. Thank you. The story behind this event is that I got an invite from the hosts here, the owners, to host an event in the Bhavan. This came in November. As an architect and a passionate art lover, the invite instantly caught me on to talk about the building. Designed by none other than Mr. A.P. Kanvinde, and the structure designed by Mr. Mahindra. The building is a perfect example of how structure can become a part of the design, in this case, art and architecture. I was supported by architects Sanjay and Tanuja Kanvinde, Rohit Raj. Their participation and contribution today are the highlight of the event. I personally describe art as artistic representation of thoughts. So it can be represented in any form through any of our five senses. That's how celebrating art, architecture and design came about. I had a chance to work with Mr. Kanvinde a long time back when I had just moved back from Nigeria. I joined A+C and there was this issue which was coming out talking about all his projects. So I interacted with him a lot for that particular issue. And the time it was published, I left A+B to join my husband Vijay Tukega in his practice. So one fine morning, just as soon as I left, that time there were no mobiles, and I had a call on the landline. I picked up the phone and I heard him saying, "Deepika," I said, "Yeah." "Kanvinde is like." That was like the moment I heard that, I was sitting perhaps on a chair or a sofa. My reflex action was to get up. That was how it was. So it was the most memorable moment of my professional life that an architect of his stature thought to call me personally, and this gesture of his showed how humble he was. And of course, I, in my own right, thought that maybe I made some impression, lasting impression on him, that he called to say that why did I leave. So today this event in his memory is my tribute to him. What better way to celebrate 11 years of it all. Today I am here wearing 3 hats: as a founder of INOC, as a curator given by Professor Charanjit Singh Shah for Akasa, and Vice President of Wiki National Architecture Council. And being a passionate art lover, it was an obvious concept for me to think of putting all these pieces together. It was like a scene you create in a jigsaw puzzle. So this was no different. So INOC started 11 years back with a journey from a newsletter, then we graduated on to magazines, to conferences, workshops, social campaigns, and today we are here doing this. I also want to thank my dearest friend Sabina. We've been together for the last 5 years on Vicky holding hands. And as I said, just a phone call away, I picked up the phone and told her that this is what the invite is, and I think that we should do it along with Vicky, and that's how she vibed to this idea of showcasing our Vicky World of Women Architects to all of you as part of the event. Now, Akasa Design Center, which is founded by Professor Charanjit Singh Shah and architect Gurpreet Shah, it was a perfect event to showcase Akasa Design Center, which is a hub of creativity too. So everything came together. So now I would like to, we are reversing our agenda, what we circulated because of the time, and shifting a little bit. I would like to invite Mr. Anupam Mitra because he has to leave for his presentation.